This is John Kennedy. Here at the Mortgage Source, we love to work with first-time home buyers. Some tips for first-time home buyers if you're interested in purchasing a home, I would say to get yourself organized. A lot of the questions that I like to ask first-time home buyers are, what type of a payment are you looking for in a home? A lot of people can't correlate their mortgage payment with actually a price range. So I'd like to ask, what's the max house payment that you would be comfortable with? Because after all, when the loan's said and done, you guys are going to be the ones paying for it. So we'd like you to be comfortable in that payment. Maybe you have a certain amount of rent you're paying now and you don't want to go over that amount. Or maybe you have a little more cushion there. But that's one of the big things that we want to talk about. And that's also something that your realtor, who would actually show you the homes, would really want to know, because they would like to know what you're qualified for and what you're comfortable with. So that's one of the big things. The other thing is basically how much do you have funds for a down payment and how much do you have? So those are type of things that we actually ask for. We also like you to get organized up front. And what I mean by organized is just kind of have an idea of having together like your W-2s if you work for a company, or if you have tax returns. We usually get your last 2 years tax returns, your last 30 days pay stubs if you work for a company, and probably like your last couple months bank statements. Then we can actually look at your information up front and kind of answer some more detailed questions for you. But those are some really good tips on what I'd like to say about first-time home